Hey everybody, and welcome to a new game, Motocross Madness. I played this game before. It's an old game. Here we go. There's my avatar. I think that's really cool that they actually use your avatar. Oh crap. You're opening up, channel. Okay, I guess we'll just continue our career. I haven't really done much. I guess we'll just play through them all again. This is a racing game, by the way. You can tell because it clearly says race up there. Have I not seen that? But yeah, if you guys don't know why I haven't been uploading, check out my last vlog. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I hate listening to that. But yeah, here's my totally awesome bike. I forgot that I have a really high level bike compared to all the NPCs. Well, I feel like an absolute champion after that. But yeah, my bike is faster than everyone else's. You guys can see it says 8 out of 8. It means I'm in last place. Not for long because my bike's faster than anyone else's. Get out the way. Woo! Wow, I even made it. No! Crap. Zena, stop. This is a very important race for me. If I can't get first place on the easiest race, this is the easiest race in the freaking game. If I can't get first place on it, I might as well just end it right there. My YouTube career is over. I don't even have a career. So I guess you couldn't say I have a career because I'm not making money off it. Obviously, I just don't have the people for that. It's so cheap I can't even put in music. I'm just kidding, I'm just not talented enough or have the abilities because I upload on my channel. No! Oh, dang it! I missed it. Second place, and we still have 2 more rounds, I believe. Woo, I could use my boost right now. But then again, I could not. And just pass him. Oh, boy. Really? My voice though. I saw nothing like that. So now I made an okay. You guys know what I mean. I don't have to explain myself all the time. Okay? You're not my dad. Or my mom. I don't know. Memes. This was a free game. This is a free game. I believe it still is. I was gonna say it was, but oh my god. Suck. Stuck on so many. No. Bye. Woo! I'm sucking on so many levels right now. Boom. Okay, take it slow. There we go. Someone said he wins the race, okay? I truly believe that because that's not what I did at all in math today. Oh. I don't know if she still watches my videos. If you watch my videos and you know who you are in my math class. Oh, 6th period. No, it wasn't even a final lap. Come on, dude. You gotta be J to the K. Me. No, so much dust. I can't even. I can't see worth crap. Excuse me. Woo! Special flip. No, land it. Oh, crap. Dang it. That's what you get for trying to be a show off. about to say something else. But no one likes to show off. Logic, everybody. Use it. I'm not saying you don't have logic, because I don't even know who you are. Actually, I probably do. Yeah, I'm talking to all you people. You know who you are if I know you. Like IRL. No, you. I do know at least 2 people. No, I know, yeah, 2 I think. I don't know. IRL. What if I hit the civilians? Oh god, I want to do that, but I also want to win this race. Speed run. There we go. See what everyone else's time is. Oh god. Okay. Continue. We're not gonna watch them. Boom. It just runs in the family, I guess. Get paid up front, get paid up front, get paid up front, get paid. Boom. Okay, let's go to the evacuation. I don't know if we can do the 3rd one yet, because then you have to go to Australia, unlock the 2nd one, finish the 2nd one. Then you go back to the 1st one, then you go back to the 3rd one on the 1st one. Then you go to the 3rd one, and then you unlock the 3rd race. I don't know. This is weird the way it sets it up. 7 minutes. I'm just looking at my timer in the bottom corner. You guys can't see it. It's on my tablet, probably. Okay, I actually need to check my bike. So I need to check what level it is. Yes, I just said that. Don't judge. Mainly because that's actually a part. You have like classes. Like there's E class, D class, C class, B class, A class, and S class. And S class is the best. I know A class should be the best. I believe this is the C class. I don't know. You have to pay and upgrade it. Oh god, I feel so slow on this track. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? Woo! Boom! Wall Rider, thank you very much. Woo! Okay, wrong button, but oh. What you gonna do? Whoa, whoa, what you gonna do? Well, why can't I do my tricks anymore? Come on, game. It won't let me do my tricks. Actually, Y button on this game is how you do tricks, and or the long one. And then there's, I believe it's. Oh no, it might be X. Yeah, I was pressing B. Okay, hang on. Let me try it. I think that's one of them. Yep. X, everybody. Woo! Back home. Man, I don't think I've left 1st place. As soon as I say that, I crash, die, and get like 2nd place. No? Okay. Boom! Boom. I could probably Y right there, but okay, I'll Y right here because this is where you're supposed to Y. Okay. Well, you don't have to specifically do it someplace else, but if you do it, you have to be high enough to do them because they last so long. You guys are steamy on fire. Good lord, everyone looks so close to me. I'm the one with the fire wheels with my. I got them wheels out. I got them. That's probably not even a song. If it is, I had no clue. I'm lame like that. Seriously, apparently there's this new song out by like, what's his face? Silence. I don't even know who it's by. I think it's by the same guy who did Watch Me Wet Silent Hill. I'm lame like that. Woo! Okay, we'll do it towards the end. Keep our fire wheels for now. Come on. Who wants to lose freaking fire wheels? I rode that wall like a champ. I don't even want to know how far ahead I am of everyone. It just appears like I'm so far ahead of them. Yeah, they're passing over right there. Woo! Or Cordova. I don't care. Okay, I'm not gonna say it yet. I'll say it towards the end of the round. Or depending on what happens. Boom! Man, it sucks that I don't know what that. Okay, so one's steady, one's the race. Remember. Oh crap, I forgot. B-Skids, does it? I forgot all about skidding. Hello, fans! They're all cheering for me because I'm not great. Yeah. My friend at school, guys, it was funny. At school today, it's currently the 26th. 27th! Oh my god. What's happening? I think it's the 27th. I don't know. I'm a marine biologist, god dang it. Not a freaking time biologist. 10 pup points to whoever gets that reference, by the way. Comment down below if you guys get that reference. If you guys want to know the reference and don't know it, I'll put it in the description. But don't look in the description if you want to guess. Oh, good. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes! I was gonna say thank God we never crash. And I didn't want to say it because I knew as soon as I said it I was gonna crash. Woo! I was right. Boom, 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 boom. I feel like a champion after that. Woo! It's probably getting so boring. Scale 4. Cyclone. Okay, yeah, it's a B. It's a B class. Oh, okay. You guys can see up here in the corner here. Try to point to it. You see up there in the corner? It's a Cyclone B if you can't read that. My fingers look so pointy. Oh, it looked pointy from where I was standing. You know, kind of like how you see them in like shows, like they make Barbie in her show. I don't know. From what I know, that's... Okay, on to a race I haven't done. Second isn't good enough. Okay, we're going to this one because second is not good enough. No, we have to get the gold medal on all of them. Are we all clear on this? Okay, good. In the next video, there is an exploration that I can show you. Comment down below if you want me to do exploration. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye. Ooh, this guy wants to get testy. Okay. I get testy. I ain't doing this. Shortcut, bruh. Called doing it. Oh, these guys are fast compared to the other ones. I'm still hoping you guys can hear my voice fine because currently I talk really low in my videos. I actually do go back and watch my videos to make sure, like not after I upload it, but before I upload it, I keep it in my camera because that's what I record with, just my camera, my digital camera on my tablet. But yeah, I go back and watch them and no, Did I just do that? Don't tell me I literally just did that. No! No! No, no, no. Oh my god. I'm in freaking... Oh my god, I did that. Oh my god. So stupid. I just passed the finish line. I thought that was a shortcut. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? Okay, let me make sure I can pass this guy. Okay, yeah, I can. Oh god, no, why did I do this? Woo! I could get more points than you guys right now. Because I am currently just behind right now. It's like, gotta go fast, gotta go fast. I'm like Sonic. Yes, another reference, by the way. Paid 5. I'm just gonna tell you that one. Seriously, you get 10 pup points, and the more pup points you get, the more rebel you are. No! You will not get hit. Someone else got it. For you. Yes. 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 No. No. Come on, go. Come on, just let me get first place. Well, now I know why I got second place. Yes! Yes! Oh, I feel like a champion. Oh my god. Guys, we did it. We got in first place. No! No! You are not going to ruin this for me, Connor. Okay, I'm going to keep this freaking jerk. No! Third place. Come on. Really? Yeah, I still have my boost, so that's good. I like how I like give him a face. I'm like, haha, I'm better than you. In real life, I'm not gonna face. Okay, just try and get close to Connor again. I don't know how he keeps passing me. If he has like some surge, I don't know if he has some magical power. Yep, explains to me why I got. Explains to me why I got second place. I could have taken that shortcut. Dang it! Stop crying. He's messing me up, man. I'm not okay. If that's a reference, tell me. I'm making just all the references. Very reference. Much reference. Reference if you read for it, if you got that reference. Oh, clever wordplay. Not really. In the comments, just say, no, you suck. Go kill yourself. Oh god, that got dark for a second. Oh, I just pushed that guy out of the way. Oh, come on, come on. Woo. Silent Night for the win. God dang. Stoppy. That's what they call it, a stoppy. Okay, I got to catch up to him. No. Oh god, get it. She good. No! Oh my god, if you screw up now, I'm going to murder your family. No! Oh my god, are you kidding me right now? Well, he already finished, and we're making this time even worse. Stupid Connor. I give up. Oh my god, I suck at this. People have already won Hatton thing. I'm just gonna be that loner in fourth place. Nothing wrong with fourth place if you've ever gotten fourth place in something. I I'm going to overpass this guy. Boom! Get out the way. Bruh! Yeah. At least I got third. I mean, not fourth, bro. Okay, yeah, we're stopping right there. Or not the video. Actually, yeah, we might want to. Okay, I'm going to do the last level because I haven't even done this one yet. I mean, I have done it, but... So... Shh! Chill out. Okay, yeah, shut up. Dude, does it look like I care? Because I don't. I'm sorry if you got that impression. But, yeah! Yeah, I'm level 5. Cool, not. Okay, I really don't care. I'm just trying to get through this so you guys can see it. Okay. So we're going to go on to Australia's Blackbeard's oh god dang, this one. Sorry if you get that second guy in the palms. Oh crap. That second guy right there, like I'm at the top because I've got a better score than him. Not saying I'm hey, what's up, dude? He doesn't even watch my videos. Okay, not in my house. Here, I'll show you guys him. Also, if you guys can't tell, I completely changed my friends list. This is it. I can't go any farther down than this. So I only have 5 friends now. See? Can't. Yeah. Okay. This is who it is, by the way. Okay, good for him. Good for not having... Okay, I think I still have better bike. Nope, that guy is a better bike than me. Oh no, I'm in first place. And this should be a Y. Yep, this is a Y place. Oh god, no, look! You suck. Suck right now, okay? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I can't go any further than that. You suck. You need to... That was a ramp. Oh god, I did it again. I wasn't even watching. Screw this. I'm sucking so bad right now. Stop sucking. If you got back on the course, I would be absolutely amazed. Oh my god. No more Jakes. This is not a Y place. It's an X. Okay. I just suck. Look how far behind I am. I'm the little blue dot. I'm in 8th place and I'm so far behind. You guys shut up. You guys don't care about me. Oh, can we catch up? Yes, he failed. Oh crap, sorry guys. That's my foot. Probably why that shook you. And the way I said it. Okay. Woo! Woo! Okay, no! Oh god, you went right into the crowd. Not okay. That is not okay. Also, you guys, if you're wondering what those blue lines on the map are, they're the shortcuts that you can take. It actually shows the freaking first place took the shortcut. That booty hole. That butthole. Oh god, I just hit the truck. No, out of bounds. What are you talking about? I didn't go out. Woo! Okay. Hang on, guys. I will be back in like 2 seconds. Okay. Okay, sorry, guys. Personal business just comes up in the middle of recording. You know, YouTuber problems.
You know, you have to tell your mommy goodnight.
Haha, very funny. She's kidding, guys. She's stupid.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. I'm putting this up anyway. Woo! Get the cones. I don't care. She interrupted, guys. She's lying. She's big, stupid. Also, guys, I might start a series. I'm sucking so bad right now. I didn't realize. No. Oh my God, rejected. Why does nobody love me? Why does everybody wanna kill me? I feel demented. I'm just kidding, guys. Nobody really wants to kill me. At least I hope not. Comment if you want to kill me. Now, I just feel now like I feel, oh God. I feel like, oh my God. It's kind of weird. I feel like don't think I'm pressuring you guys to comment. I'm just saying this for fun. That's what I was gonna say. Like, I don't know how to word it properly, but okay, screw it. This guy, we have to overpass him. I swear if we can't overpass him with her. Well, we still didn't overpass him. Yeah. Tells you how good I am at this game. You know what, screw it. As soon as I finish this match, I'm done. I'm not gonna play. I'm not saying I'm not gonna start another series. I'm not gonna do another episode. I'm just gonna be done because we're almost at 30 minutes, and I did not expect this video to be that long. I thought it was gonna be like a 25-minute video, if that. So